Hey guys, so if you're having some internet connection issues on your Samsung TV and you're not able to watch YouTube or Netflix, whatever, you just need to click the home button, which will open the screen in the bottom. Then just scroll to the left until you'll get to the gear icon, which is the actual settings. Click OK. This will open up the settings screen. Scroll down for the general, then we're looking for the network. And first thing first that you want to do is check the network status. Sometimes it is just enough to click retry and make sure that the status is fine. If not, open network settings and make sure that you choose the correct connection type. So usually all the issues happen with the wireless connections. So click on the wireless and choose the network which you're actually trying to access, provide the correct password and just click connect. That usually helps.